Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor menu. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today we will show you a collection of repurposed wood design ideas by crafting minimalist furniture decor plans from discarded materials. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. The significance of repurposed wood in crafting minimalist furniture and decor plans from discarded materials lies in its extraordinary ability to unite creativity, sustainability, functionality, and emotional resonance in ways few modern design movements can achieve, creating a powerful shift in how people build, decorate, and connect with their homes. In a world driven by constant consumption and rapid change, repurposed wood offers a refreshing counterbalance, a reminder that beauty, usefulness, and meaning can emerge not from buying something new, but from transforming what already exists. When discarded planks, weathered beams, old pallets, or broken furniture pieces are reconsidered through the lens of minimalist design, their history, character, and imperfections become integral parts of the final creation, allowing homeowners and makers to craft pieces that feel intentional, soulful, and deeply aligned with contemporary values. Minimalism, at its core, celebrates simplicity, clarity, and purpose, and repurposed wood enriches that philosophy by adding warmth, authenticity, and subtle texture to clean-line designs. Instead of sterile, factory-made furnishings, repurposed wood pieces offer a quiet, lived-in elegance, a calm aesthetic softened by the natural grains and memories woven into the wood itself. Every knot, mark, and weathered edge becomes a design element, not a flaw, reminding us that simplicity does not mean emptiness, but rather a thoughtful selection of what truly matters. This approach also connects directly to sustainability, offering one of the most accessible pathways for eco-conscious living within interior design. Using repurposed wood reduces the demand for newly harvested lumber, lowers manufacturing waste, and minimizes the environmental impact associated with large-scale furniture production. Each board reused becomes one less piece added to a landfill and one less tree cut down, turning minimalist decor into an active practice of environmental care rather than just a visual style. By choosing to work with reclaimed materials, makers and homeowners demonstrate that sustainability can be beautifully integrated into everyday living, not as a sacrifice, but as an elevation of craft and conscience. Repurposed wood also allows for a reduction in production costs, making minimalist furniture more accessible to people who want timeless, handcrafted pieces without the expense of newly milled hardwoods. This affordability extends opportunities to small creators, students, DIY beginners, and families who wish to create meaningful, durable furnishings without straining their budgets. The balance of sustainability and cost efficiency empowers more people to participate in eco-friendly design, building a culture that values resourcefulness and environmental responsibility. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Functionality is another dimension where repurposed wood shines, especially within minimalist design frameworks that prioritize usefulness and clarity of purpose. Minimalist decor avoids unnecessary ornamentation, instead highlighting strong structures, thoughtful proportions, and versatile forms. Repurposed wood easily lends itself to this approach, as its natural sturdiness, thickness, and texture provide a solid foundation for building furniture that lasts. Coffee tables, shelving units, wall art, benches, bed frames, and storage solutions crafted from reclaimed wood carry a strength and durability that often surpass mass-produced pieces. Furthermore, because repurposed wood comes in varied shapes, sizes, and conditions, it encourages unique solutions and inventive designs. The limitations of the material become opportunities for innovation. Narrow planks inspire floating shelves, Large beams become clean-line dining tables, and leftover scraps transform into sculptural accents or minimalist wall decor. Each piece created through repurposing reinforces the idea that design is not about excess, but about intention, adaptability, and the thoughtful marriage of form and function. Yet beyond sustainability and practicality, the emotional resonance of repurposed wood is perhaps its most profound contribution to modern interior design. Every piece of reclaimed wood carries a story, whether it once formed the structure of a historic building, a family home, an old barn, or a piece of worn furniture passed through generations. When these materials are revived and integrated into minimalist decor, they bring with them an echo of the past, grounding the clean simplicity of modern spaces with soul and memory. This emotional depth softens the austerity often associated with minimalism, making homes feel warm, lived in, and connected to something larger than the present moment. People increasingly crave this kind of meaning in their environments, seeking spaces that reflect their values, their creativity, and their desire for mindful living. Repurposed wood decor provides exactly that, a chance to own objects that are not only functional and beautiful, but also deeply personal and ethically grounded. Creating or owning a piece made from reclaimed materials feels like participating in a cycle of renewal, honoring the past while crafting something purposeful for the future. It mirrors life's own complexities, the idea that old things, like old memories, can be reimagined and cherished in new ways. The movement of crafting minimalist furniture and decor from repurposed wood also fosters creativity by encouraging individuals to see potential where others see waste. Instead of discarding weathered boards or damaged furnishings, creators learn to appreciate the unique qualities that time has etched into the material. They develop skills in restoration, design, and craftsmanship, gaining a deeper understanding of materials and a greater respect for the creative process. This hands-on relationship with reclaimed wood nurtures confidence and artistic exploration, empowering both beginners and experienced makers to transform their environments with their own vision. In many cases, the act of repurposing becomes a fulfilling personal journey, one that blends art, sustainability, and personal expression into a seamless practice. For some, it even evolves into a business opportunity, as handmade reclaimed wood pieces are in high demand among customers seeking meaningful, eco-conscious decor that stands apart from mass-produced alternatives. Ultimately, the significance of repurposed wood in minimalist furniture and decor lies in its ability to bridge aesthetics and values, bringing together the beauty of clean, simple design with the richness of history, environmental responsibility, and emotional depth. It challenges the fast-paced cycle of consumption and disposability, offering instead a design philosophy rooted in respect, creativity, and renewal. By transforming discarded materials into refined, purposeful pieces, this movement shows that minimalism does not have to be cold or rigid. It can be warm, personal, and deeply human. It reminds us that the most beautiful homes are those built with intention, care, and imagination, and that the most meaningful design often begins with what we already have. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked repurposed wood design ideas by crafting minimalist furniture decor plans from discarded materials. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.